Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So I was looking for something, not a sweater, but just something to elevate my outfits, right? I found the Lock and Love short sleeve, open front, Batwing cardigan. What I like about it, it covers my arms. Okay, I have a tank top on right now, and it covers the tushy. So it's a very nice, good length. This is extra large, it's hunter green, but it's more of like a dusty green. It's one of my favorite colors actually. And just so for size reference, I wear a 12 to 14 in the U.S. sizes, so that kind of gives you an idea. It's cute and it's comfy. Now, you can see, you can put it with jeans, but you can do long sleeve, you could do short sleeve, you can do a fitted dress. What it's gonna do is just elevate your outfit to that next level. So when you're ready to elevate your clothes or elevate your style and not having to add a lot, just add your Batwing cardigan. And that's my point of view.